Welcome to Varna.
Bulgaria's famous seaside summer attraction, which I decided to visit in the winter.
Freezing cold.
Yeah, Varna is more of a summer location. So what can you do here during the winter? This is one of the oldest cities in Europe, the port on the shores of the Black Sea, active since antiquity.
Varna, before it was called Varna by the Slavs, used to be named Odysseus. And it existed even in the ancient Greek times. Actually, Alexander the Great invaded this place, like he did everywhere. And later on, the Romans were here and they built these amazing baths. That's right. They say this is the 4th largest Roman bath in Europe. Oh!
After the Romans came the Bulgars, hence Bulgaria, and they mixed with Slavic tribes to create the first Bulgarian Empire in 681 AD. 2 centuries later, they adopted Christianity.
This is the Dormition of the Mother of God Cathedral, one of the most impressive buildings here in Varna. You can see there on the windows, there have depicted St. Cyril, who helped invent this Cyrillic script, which is the writing that we see here in Varna and of course in Russia as well. All right, so just walking down here, one of these main walkways in Varna. Even though it's winter, it's actually quite crowded, pretty filled with people because the weather's nice right now. It's not that cold, around 10 degrees, very sunny, so it's all right.
Another nice place to walk is Primorsky Park, which goes along the seafront.
So after walking down this main walkway of Primorsky Park, this large park here in Varna, you reach the monument. So this is the monument of the strugglers against fascism and capitalism, and it shows one man who's injured and one man who continues the battle. He's got a pistol there in his hand, and all of the stones that are around there at the bottom depict battle scenes. You don't have any of that information here. And that's generally what the case is in this park, in Primorsky Park, which is kind of annoying that you have all of these statues and all of these reliefs, but all of it is in Bulgarian and in Cyrillic script, so you'll never be able to understand any of it unless you actually read on it online or watch this video. This definitely shows, though, the Soviet influence on this country over the years. That persists to this day, the effects of that. Another Soviet monument. The monument of Bulgarian-Soviet friendship, it's called. You have to walk up all the way up these steps, which of course I'm going to do. A few more steps, and we've made it. Starting to run out of breath, but I definitely think it's worth it. All right, there we are. People actually working out here, going up and down, like Rocky.
Of course, I had to go check out the beach.
People on the beach, nobody dares go in, way too cold. Still, I see that a lot of people, they come here kind of to chill out, relax. And over there is Cape Galata. Okay, this is line 17 to Galata, this stop. All right, time to try and catch this sunset. Right now, I'm actually kind of deserted. I've been walking for 15 minutes from the bus stop. I do see ahead of me, though, the lighthouse that I was told about. And yeah, here's this path. I'm just walking down, and hopefully I'll discover a great view. I don't know. I think I see something. It's leading somewhere finally. Oh man, here we are. Look at these steps here. I'm gonna go up some rickety steps. Ah, yeah. Careful. Shh. Yo. Oh my God.
This rundown hidden observation point was my favorite part of this trip, and I want to introduce you to the local guy who told me about it.
So Tony, tell us, Varna in the winter, what do you think?
Cheers.
It's good or not?
Yeah, it's very good.
Very good? Compared to the summer? How do you compare it to the
Of
summer?
course, it's interesting. You can find new friends here.
So to come in the winter?
Yeah, you have to camp. My English is broken, but no worries.
I hope to come back to Varna in the summer sometime, but the place still has its charm even in winter, so why not give it a shot? And I'll see you next time.